Okay, this is now a calculator question to do with proportion and best buys. Okay, and it says Tesco sells bottled water in 3 sizes: handy, family and giant. Okay, and we need to work out the cost per litre of the handy size. Okay, what we first need to notice is that this says CL. Okay, and normally we're used to seeing either millilitres or litres, but sometimes CL comes up, so we need to know what it means. So, it means centilitres. So in the same way that there's 1,000 millilitres in 1 litre, think of metres and centimetres. A centilitre, 100 centilitres is the same as 1 litre. Okay, so it's 100th of a litre. So, if we try to work out what the litre is of a handy size, we know that 40, we want to make from 40 to 100, because 100 cl in 1 litre. So we need to know how many times greater 100 is than 40. And we should know if we multiply 40 by 2.5, so 2.5, then we get 100. Because 2 lots of 40 is 80, half of 40 is 20, so that makes 100. So now I've scaled up my 40 cl to make 100 cl. So now I need to take my 38 pence and multiply that by 2.5. We now have a calculator, so we got 38 pence multiplied by 2.5, and that gives us 95 pence. So the cost per litre of handy is 95 pence. Okay, so the cost per litre is 95 pence because we scaled up from 40 to 100. Now, which bottle is the best value for money? So we already know handy, so I'm going to retell the examiner. I know handy equals 95 pence per litre. Okay, so now we're going to try and get these two into litres so we can make a fair comparison. Okay, so the family for 2 litres is 98 pence. So to get to 1 litre, I need to divide both answers by 2. So we're going to have 0.98 divided by 2, so 49 pence. So family equals 49 pence per litre. Okay, the giant for 5 litres is £2.50. So to get 1 litre, I should divide both sides by 5. £2.50 divided by 5 is 50 pence. So it's 50 pence per litre. Okay, right at the end you're going to write a little sentence to tell the examiner that you realise that the family is the best value for money because it's the smallest pence per litre. So the family bottle is cheapest per litre. It's the best value for money. Okay, so like the last question, you get them into the same units, so each one is in litres, then you can make a fair comparison and you can tell the examiner that you know the family bottle must be the cheapest.